Good morning students. Today we are going to learn from English grammar textbook 10th chapter. English grammar textbook 10th chapter. The chapter name is pronouns. The chapter name is pronouns. So what is the pronoun? First we want to learn what is the pronoun. What is the pronoun means words used in a place of nouns in sentences are called pronouns. So in the place of nouns, what are the nouns? What are the nouns means? Nouns means names. Nouns means names. Names of persons, names of things, names of places, names of books. So like this going on names. Okay, nouns. So in the names, instead of nouns means instead of the nouns or instead of the name, we use the pronoun. Instead of the name or noun, we use the pronoun. For example, you see here. Dheeraj is a doctor. Dheeraj is a doctor. Here, Dheeraj is a name. It is called noun. It is called noun. So, another sentence you see, he likes to travel. He likes to travel. Here, he is called pronoun. He means called pronoun. So, here we have written noun. Here we are writing he. Instead of noun, we are writing pronoun. These we call the pronouns. He, she, it, they, them. All these comes the pronouns. All these are the pronouns. Okay. So I think we understand this the introduction or the definition of the pronoun. Meaning of the pronoun. Once again tell a word used in a place. A word used in a place of nouns is in a sentence are called pronoun. In a sentence are called in the place of nouns. In the place of nouns. Or instead of noun. You understand? So in the place of noun we use the pronoun. Here already I have written one example. Dheeraj is a dog. Dheeraj is a noun. It's a name, noun. So he likes to travel. He is a pronoun. Means we are not writing here again Dheeraj. Dheeraj likes to travel. Instead of Dheeraj, we are writing he. That we call the pronoun. Did you understand? So now we go into the topic. So we are learning about the pronouns. Already we know the definition and meaning of the pronoun. So kinds of pronouns. Now we are going to learn about the kinds of pronouns. So how many kinds of pronouns are there? 5 kinds of pronouns are there. How many kinds of pronouns are there? 5 kinds of pronouns are there. First one is personal pronouns. Second one is demonstrative pronouns. Third one is reflexive pronouns. Fourth one is interrogative pronouns. Fifth one is relative pronouns. Okay, how many types of pronouns are there? How many kinds of pronouns are there? Means 5 kinds of pronouns are there. Personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, interrogative pronouns and relative pronouns. These are the 5 kinds of pronouns. So today we are going to learn about these 5 kinds of pronouns. By each one we will learn. Okay, till this time, till here we go time. Good morning students. So the first one we are going to learn the kinds of pronouns. The first one is the personal pronouns. First one is the personal pronouns. What is the personal pronouns? A personal pronouns are used for particular person or things are called personal pronouns. Personal pronouns means we use the particular person or things are called the personal pronouns. Here we can see first person, second person, third person also. Here in these personal pronouns we can see first person, second person, third person. What is the first person? What is the second person? What is the third person? Okay, what is the first? What is the second? What is the third? Here we can see divide that one is the subjective. Personal pronouns are divided into for example First person, second person, third person means first person who is speaking. I. First person means I. Okay, first person means I. I am speaking. The second person means you. You are listening. Means already you spoke. Second person means you spoke. Second person, first person and second person. Second person means you. First person means I, second person means you. The third person means person who is spoken about. Spoken about means third person comes. He or she or it. This comes. For here means we can see first person means I am speaking. Second person means you spoke. Third person means we spoke about another. Did you understand? I speak, you speak, and we spoke. Did you understand? I speak first person, you speak, you spoke second person. We speak about others. That is the third person. You understand? That comes first person, second person, third person means first I speak, second you spoke, third we speak about others. Okay, that is the third person. So here we can see personal pronouns. We can see three: subjective pronouns, objective pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Subjective pronouns, objective pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Here you see page number 38. You can see that study the following table. What is the subjective pronouns? What is the objective pronouns? What is the possessive pronouns? Here, first person, second person, third person they have given. Already I have written in the board. First person means I, second person means you, third person means he, she, it. Did you understand? First person means I, second person means you, third person means he, she, it. That means I speak, you speak, we speak about others. Do you understand? Means we speak about he, she, it. You understand? That is the first person, second person, third person. So here subjective pronouns means there is a singular and plural. I means we, you, she, it, singular, they are the plural. Then objective pronouns singular and plural. Objective means me, us, you, her, him, it, them. These are the objective pronouns. Then possessive pronouns comes means mine, this is mine, this is ours, yours, hers, theirs. That comes the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns means me, belonging to me, mine, ours, yours, theirs, hers, she. Okay, that comes the possessive pronouns. Objective pronouns means me, us, singular and plural, you, them, they. That comes subjective pronouns. So here we can see the subjective pronouns means does and action. Subjective pronouns means does and action. Subjective pronouns means doer of an action. Doer of an action means those who do an action we call the subject. Those who do the action we call the subject. Doer of an action. Objective means receiver. Objective means receiver. For example, you say, I am the subject. You are the object. Do you understand? I am the subjective. Your objective means I am doing the action. I am teaching you. Then what you are doing? You are receiving. I am doer of action. You are receiver of an action. Okay, that is the best example. Teacher and student. Okay, I am doer of an action, you are the receiver of an action, subjective and objective. Then next one comes the possessive pronouns, indicates possessions. Indicates possessions means it is belonging to me, mine, ours, yours. Indicates the possessions. Okay, possessive pronouns. I think we understand till here. Personal pronouns means words are used to particular persons, things, that we call the personal pronouns. So here we talk more or first person, second person, third person. So we go into subjective pronouns, objective pronouns and the possessive pronouns. Okay, subjective pronouns means doer of an action. Objective pronouns means receiver of an action. Possessive pronouns means an indicator of possessions. Okay, that is this. So first you go to see the page number 38, that the table you study, then you will understand the personal pronouns. Okay. Second one we see, the second one is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns means, what is the demonstrative pronouns? Words which are used to point out objects near or far in singular and plural. Singular and plural. To use to show or point out the object. It is near or it is far. We will show the things by pointing out. From a form are called demonstrative pronouns. So once again, words which are used to point out objects near or far, or singular and or plural form are called the demonstrative pronouns. These form we call the demonstrative pronouns. For example, you see, what is the demonstrative pronouns means? These, that, this, that, these, those. These, that, these, those. Okay, I have written the examples. This is a pen. It is singular form. This is a pen. You see in my hand there is a pen written there. This is a pen. That is a pen. Means the pen is far. This means the pen is near. That means pen is far. Okay. This is pen. That is pen. This is singular form. So next one. These are pens. These are pens. The pens are in my hand. That we call the near. These are pens. Those are pens. Those means it is far. Those are pens. Did you understand? To point out the object, it is near or far. We use the demonstrative pronouns. We use the demonstrative pronouns. That demonstrative pronouns are these, that, this, that, these, those. Okay, so it is singular means this and that are singular. This means near, that means far. This means near, those means far. Okay, that is the what is the demonstrative pronouns. The third one is the reflexive pronouns. Third one is the reflexive pronouns. What is the reflexive pronouns? When the subject of sentence does something to itself, we use the reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns means doing something to itself, doing something to herself, doing something to himself. That we call the reflexive pronouns. Just listen here a sentence. I did all this work myself. I and myself. These are the same. I did all work for myself. I did this. I have done the work not for others, for me. That we call the reflexive pronouns. The work whatever I have done for me, did for me. That we call the reflexive pronouns. Like she will wash the clothes herself. She is the means I think. Then herself means herself. She is doing washed all the clothes herself. Maybe many clothes are there. She alone done the work. Herself. Means reflexive pronouns means doing for something for itself, for himself, for herself, for myself. Okay, that we call the reflexive pronouns. Here, for example, reflexive pronouns are here in the textbook, page number 13. Himself, herself, myself, ourselves, itself, yourself, yourselves, themselves. These are the reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns means doing for myself, ourselves, itself, themselves. Means doing them, doing for me, doing for her. So all will come reflect. These are called the reflexive pronouns. Okay, did you understand the reflexive pronouns and demonstrative pronouns? Reflexive pronouns means doing all the things to herself, himself, doself, themselves, yourselves, ourselves. Okay, these are the reflexive pronouns. See here, fourth one. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns means you already know. Interrogative pronouns means question asking. Interrogative pronouns means question. Words which are used for asking question are called the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns means asking the question. So here they have given you what are the interrogative pronouns means who, whose, whom, what, which. Who, whose, whom, what, which. These are the interrogative pronouns. So who, whose, whom are used to ask questions about persons. Who, whose, whom. These asking questions about the persons. These asking about the questions asking about the persons. What is asking about the things. Question asking about things. What? Person or things, particularly asking about the person or things. Do you understand? Who, whose, whom. This means personally asking who's this? Whom you want to call. Who are you? Asking the persons in particular, personal. Then what means we use, what is this? Things we use more properly, we use what? Things. What is this? What are you eating? So we use more for the things. Then which? We use these for persons and things. But we use that is a particularly. Which person? Which things you like? Which person you like? Which student you like in your class. So this is the particularly we use. These are the interrogative sentences. Persons we use is who, whom, whose. Persons. What we use main for the things, which we use for the persons and things, but we use in the particular. Okay. Then relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. What are the relative pronouns? For example, relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are words which join two ideas belong to the same person, animals or things. Here relative pronouns means joining two ideas. Joining two ideas which belong to a person, things or animals. The idea belongs to maybe animals, the idea belongs to things, or the idea belongs to the persons. We join these. That we call the relative pronouns. Relative means join. Relative means joining ideas of persons, things and animals. Relative pronouns. So here you see, for example, who, whom, whose. Who means who's this? Whom. Whom do you want? Whose. Whose book is this? So for people, this we use for already I learned for persons. This we use for people. Who, whom, whose we use for the people. To join the things we use for the people. Which animals or things, particularly we use for the animals or things or persons. Then that people, animals and things. That people, animals and things. These are the relative pronouns. Whom, relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. Okay, I think you understand